Midnight Light Journey Tarot, and how are you all? I hope you are doing great. And this reading is in English. Okay, so this is a new reading, and this is a candle wax reading. As you can see, that I have put two bowls and two candles here. Okay, the topic is the love life. Okay, what's happening in your love life right now, and what next can you expect? Whatever channel messages I will have for you, I will try to give those using the candle wax reading. Okay, anything that comes up during the reading, intuitively I will be answering questions if you have any. So yeah, before starting the reading, just set an intention within yourself. Okay, just breathe in, breathe out 3 times, and just clear out your mind, and then select one option. Okay, the first option is this one, with the green candle, the first bowl, and the second option is the red ball. Okay, the red candle with the second option. So I will start with the first option, and yeah guys, make sure that you take only what resonates. Okay, leave the rest of the messages for some other people, because only two options are there. So yeah, I will try to give as many details as possible, whatever information I get, and I hope and it is my intention that you get accurate answers during this reading. And thank you so much, subscribers. Thank you so much, new viewers and all my viewers, for subscribing and visiting my channel. If you're first time viewer, then do subscribe and like, share, comment if you like the video. So yeah, without any delay, let's start with the first option. Okay, so yeah, I have cleansed the space, okay, with using incense. So let's start with option number one's reading. Also, I will be using a bit of oracle cards at the end, which I feel like. Okay, so for additional messages. So let's start with the first option for your love life. What's going to happen? What's happening right now in your connection? If you are in any connection or not, let's see. I feel right now there is a bit loneliness around you in your love life. I feel it's going slow. Okay, you're expecting someone or a message from someone, or you are hoping for something, but you are a bit alone. I feel. Okay, you are feeling alone. You're feeling lost for some of you. I feel. Uh, you have many questions in your mind, or there is some kind of stress or anxiety within you. I feel like, regarding your love life. I feel. Okay, but as you move forward, there will be communication coming your way. Okay, I feel like there will be a contact with your person if you have anyone in mind. Yes, I think you will be getting communication from somewhere. So after, or within the next 1 or 2 months, or 2 to 3 months, I feel uh, things may start developing with someone. Okay, uh, there is something around your heart chakra or your childhood. I think some childhood issues or traumas around your heart, or any hurts of the past that may be coming between you, or in your love life, that may be a problem. I feel, but I feel there is a kind of protection for you. Some stormy times you may have seen in your life, in your love life. I feel for some of you there may be a cloudy situation, or but I see that with time, uh, You will be finding answers, you will be getting the answers and clarity that you need. Okay, things will start building up with someone. This will be a very, very stable connection coming forward. Whether this will be a past person or not, let's see if I get any messages around that. I feel there will be a new person for most of you. Many of you, there will be a new person coming in your life. If you are alone right now, if there is no one in your life, then definitely someone may be coming your way. Okay. Yeah, there will be some. So there is some past hurts or wounds that you need to cleanse. I feel like there is some karmic issues, or you have dealt with karmic issues in the past, and those karmic wounds you need to heal if you want to move forward in your love life. Okay, guys, I feel like you need to do some cleansing of the past. There is a car or something I see. I don't know why, like, but I see that maybe driving, or through driving you meet someone, or you may be meeting someone new during traveling. You may meet someone during your trips or travels or workplace, I feel, for some of you. But yeah, with time, things will develop into something beautiful, something sustainable. I don't know why I heard this word. Very nurturing connection. It will be a long term connection for you. Okay, moving forward in your life, things will start building up. I feel like yeah, you will be able to build and grow many things in your relationship moving forward. It will be a stable commitment. Okay. And you will be happy. There will be many, many happy times, joyful times coming in your life, in your love life especially. I don't know why I feel there is a lot of prosperity ahead, prosperity and abundance. Trees, environment, I feel like you will be working towards something in nature, or you may be starting a business or something with your partner, or just general prosperity in your life. Okay, in your even if you have a family with this person, then yeah, that will be a well-to-do family. Okay, I feel they will have a lot of money, I feel. So the advice is also the same thing for you. If you are manifesting someone new, definitely you can use this manifestation technique, the desirable person that you want. Yeah, so here is the ending. I will end this here. Let's see what else I can get here for you. I don't know why I feel like the person in your life, or you yourself, may be a boss person. Okay, they may be an authority figure, or you may be an authority figure. Scorpio, I don't know why I see Scorpio. That may be a sign. Okay, Scorpio sign, or Libra, or Aquarius, I'm getting. Okay, these signs. This is general, so just take it as it resonates. Okay. Let's see what else. Inner child issues. Yeah, I feel like there are some inner child issues, either within you or your person. Okay, whom you will be dealing with, or you will be healing together. I see. I feel like there is a rabbit or something, like rabbit animal. If you know, you can search or Google it. What rabbit means for you. Okay. Birds. Yeah, I think there may be some messages or communication coming your way, because I feel like there's a bird here. I can see a bird. Okay. So yeah, definitely for many of you, I feel you will be leaving behind the past, and just completely and totally you will be coming in, beautiful. I think there is a plan for you, divine plan that will be working for you. after that, after this new phase, you will totally come out of the past hurts, you know. So you have to start working on yourself and your healing, as I said before, because there is this black, you know, black color that fell down. So I definitely feel there is some past hurts or karmas, you know, that you have to deal with, I think. This can also be inner child or childhood wounds that you need to heal. So do proper meditation. Find you can find it on YouTube. Okay. What else? I don't know. Lots of animals I'm seeing. Animal, birds, crocodile. I don't know why crocodile. I feel like yeah. Let's see what else. So yeah, I feel this person may be an animal lover, I feel, or you are an animal lover. I don't know why. You may have pets, or this person may have pets whom you will meet. Okay. Let's see what else. So what else? Yeah, you may have a family with this person moving forward in the future. Okay, you may have a married life and also children, so that is very beautiful. But I think that may take some time right now. Okay, right now I think you are in the process of either meeting this person, or if you already know this person, then yeah, things may be developing slowly. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why, but I see many animals, or you know, I think you may be knowing why. There's a dog, so loyalty. I feel there will be loyalty in this connection. There will be a time, I feel, that once this connection starts, once you meet this person and the connection starts, okay, there will be no going back. There will be no going back. You will be coming together. Okay, so yeah, this is very powerful, very positive. Let's see what else do we have for from the cards. Additional messages if we have for you. Pile number 1. Let's see. I hope this reading resonated, guys. Do comment your views, how you felt. Okay. Yeah, I think you will be starting off as friends with this person. Okay, you may have met through mutual friends, or you know, relatives, or somewhere in a party kind of setting. For some people, you may have, as I told you, that during travel you may be able to meet this person. Okay, and yeah, definitely you are moving towards a time of, you know, peace and bliss. Definitely, I feel like there is someone coming towards you slowly and steadily, or you are moving towards someone. Okay, whatever turbulent times you have faced in the past regarding your relationships, that turbulent time is just going. Okay, it's just you are releasing that and you are moving towards very happier times. There is intuition involved here. Okay, I feel like you may be either you may be having two options, or you may be in the double mindset. If you already know this person, and if they are your friend, okay, if I feel that they have friend zoned you right now, and may not be taking this relationship forward right now, as I told you. But you have to listen to your intuition, what your intuition is telling you. Okay, do some meditation, and yeah, definitely you need to do some inner child healing, as I feel like there may be messages or news coming your way, or you may be chatting on a friendly level. Okay, let's see what else. Yeah, I feel like either you are guarded or this person is guarded, if you have anyone in your mind right now. Okay, but there will be passion. Yeah, the person you have in mind, if you have, then definitely they may be guarded, but that will not last for a long time. Okay, that will be just, this is just a karmic cycle that will end. The 9 of wands is 9 is the number of ending, so new beginning will happen, and they will feel a spark within themselves. Okay, and they will come there may come a time when they will just spontaneously come at you and just tell you how they feel, or there may be some passionate romantic feelings that may develop with time. All right guys, so yeah, the bottom is the Two of Wands. Definitely you have a choice and a decision to make, or this person has a decision to make. If you are the person that has to make a decision, then yes, I feel like you need to move on from something or someone, or this person needs to move on, okay? Because we have the Death in the bottom. So definitely, as I told you, that the past will be gone. The past is just past. You will be leaving behind the past, and the new person may be coming in. So this is a big confirmation for that also. All right, so just let this transformation happen and just allow things to unfold naturally. All right, let me take one more card here. So you have a broader vision that I told you already while reading, that yes, you can manifest if you want. You have the world in your hands. You can manifest a bigger vision for your life right now. So just place an intention and manifest using law of attraction. If you want, you can manifest a life of your desire. Okay guys, let's see what else for group number 1 in their love life. Yeah, I told you, sad embrace. Definitely there are some past issues or hurts that you need to deal with. You are feeling alone right now. Cleaning house. Yeah, the same message again resonated, that there is some decluttering that you need to do from your life. There is some past person or a karmic pattern that is a blockage for you right now. The sad hurts and everything, you need to heal that, declutter your even your mind, body and soul. You need to clean that. And karmic cleansing, as I told you, you definitely need to do that cleansing for yourself. As we clean our house, what we do, we just see those dirty areas and we just cleanse those things, right? So right now you need to see those hurts and blockages in yourself that you may not have experienced before, but right now you need to experience them, you need to face them, and you need to release them, so that a new energy, a new person can come into your life, and all the good things, happy things can start manifesting in your life. All right guys, so yeah, this was a reading. I hope it resonated, and I will see you in your next reading. Take care. Bye bye. Hello group number 2, those who chose this red candle. So let's start with your reading. I have already cleansed this space with the incense, so yeah, the energies are clear. Just set an intention that you get the accurate answers. Let's start. Okay, I feel there is some karmic cleansing going on in your situation or in your life. You are dealing with some karmic person or the third party issue. I feel there is a third party or a karmic person, okay? But I feel those karmic and toxic patterns and a cycle is ending. I think cleansing is happening or healing is taking place right now, okay, in your love life. It may be going a little bit slow right now, but yeah, I feel right now you're alone or in separation with someone. Okay, but with time I feel you may be getting communication and things will start progressing forward as you want. There will be a mutual give and take, a support, equal partnership in your connection. Definitely, I feel like you are coming into union with someone. Wow, I saw a heart. That's so beautiful. Yes, there is beautiful love emerging in your situation. Unconditional, true love. You may have found your soulmate, or you may be knowing someone as your soulmate, or a true love, or a past life connection. I feel like you may be feeling that you have a past life person in your life. I just see that there's a beautiful flower forming here just through the outline. If you guys can see, but I don't know if you can see this. But yeah, I feel like there's a beautiful flower forming. So that is like a love is blooming in your life. That's very nice. I see shoes. So shoes may be significant, or footsteps. So yeah, definitely someone coming in your life right now, I feel. uh yeah, I feel there is a karmic or third party that is, you may be getting rid of the third party right now, I feel. uh, but that situation may have ended already, I feel. There was a cycle and that ended, but I guess you'd know or you don't know. Okay, if you are in no contact, then yeah, you will be getting news very very soon. Very very soon things will start forming and taking structure. Wow, there is an announcement coming your way, I feel, because I see a beautiful bird forming. Yeah, there will be a new dawn, new beginning in your life. In your love life, a new beginning is coming. A new person, or for some of you, already, if you know this person, and if you feel that yes, this is my soulmate, then definitely this person will be coming in your life again, or after this healing. So yeah, a lot of healing has taken place. Okay. So I feel you may be dealing with your stuff right now alone, and the person may be dealing with their own stuff right now. And then, after sorting everything out individually, you may be stepping in your power, and the person, your opposite person, may be stepping in their power, and then everything will start taking shape as you desire, as you wanted. For some of you, I feel you are manifesting or just setting intentions or prayers for reconciliation. I feel for most of you, I don't know why, but for many of you, I feel like there's a reconciliation, or the same partner that you wish to be. You are very very sure about this person, I feel. Let's see what else. I don't know, the letter M. I feel there's an M letter initial, or C, or an O. Wow, I just feel there's a trident or a trishul, if you know what a trident is. So there is a protected connection here. I feel you are protected and your connection is protected by the divine. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, let's see what else. So, uh, this is like the entire half candle, but the half side is still remaining. Okay, but the half and half, your other half, definitely I feel there is some other half and soulmate vibe here. uh so I feel that there may be some fast communication coming your way. Okay, things may start happening rapidly in your love life. If you have waited too long, then yes, the wait is over, I feel. Let's see what else. Wow, I see a butterfly here. Okay. So that is a transformation. That's transformation in your connection, in your love life. Big transformation and rebirth time. I feel renewal, renewal of hopes. Yeah, a miracle. I hear. Let's see what else. I don't know. Babies. I think so. You will have babies in future. But yeah, as I told you before, I feel like the karmic and toxicities are all away from you now. Okay, see, as you can see, the black ones are outside this uh, the middle center part, right? So I feel like you are far far away from this toxicity and from this negativity, if you were dealing with anything like that. And there is this beautiful just red, that the rose color. Okay, I feel like, yeah, beautiful, this red rose. You may be getting roses, I feel, from the person, or I don't know, proposal or something like that, union. Definitely I feel, yeah, I feel two persons sitting on a chair like you sit. during your if in India we have like reception and you sit side by side, so I feel like that, or a marriage ceremony kind of thing. I don't know why. So yeah, definitely. If you don't know, if you're not talking, or if you feel like no, this is too good to be true, then I feel that universe may be not telling you right now. It may be all behind the scenes. Things may be cooking behind the scenes. Yeah, so just wait and just trust and just wait and watch. Okay, I would just say that yeah, just wait and watch and surrender. I will say, just surrender to the process. Whatever happens will happen for the best for you. Let's see what else. Yeah, I see a trumpet, I guess. I don't know. Trumpet also announcement. I don't know why, but I suddenly feel like fun vibe, happy, happy. I'm smiling. I don't know why. Just looking at this, I feel like, there's a lot of happiness, there's a lot of joy coming in your life, in your love life. I feel like you may be celebrating something very soon, okay? There will be a victory. I feel there's a victory kind of thing here. Yeah, balloons. I don't know why. If you love balloons or what, candies, ice creams. I don't know. I'm getting those small things like kids. You know the way kids like all those things. I'm getting that vibe from this particular option. I don't know. So I think that is about also about your inner child happiness. All right. Yeah, your inner child will be happy. You may have to, I think for some of you, you may have to do some healing of inner child. If you have already done that, then yes, definitely your inner child has healed. Okay, and then this connection will be blooming. Yeah, because you have done healing. uh I don't know, I mean, I feel like there's a fish or something like that here. Okay. Yeah, I just see that there's a hand holding an ice cream. I don't know why. So you may be having an ice cream date with this person or a new person. Yeah, an aeroplane. I don't know. Aeroplane travel may be involved for some of you. So you may be traveling, or this person may be traveling to see you or meet you. Yeah. Okay, one more thing, that yeah, passion will be there. A lot of passion is coming in your love life. So just be ready, guys, because I feel like right now you are feeling stuck, or there is not much going on. Or even if it is going on, then I feel like there will be an increment in that passion, in that, romance, romantic gestures, flowers, bouquets, all those things, invitations or dates you may be getting. So yeah, let's see what else additional messages I will see from tarot cards also. So yeah, guys, do comment how you felt, okay, how it resonated. Let's see. Yeah, the world. Yes, King of Swords. Death. Yeah, transformation, as I told you. So there is a major cycle ending here. That was a karmic cycle. I told you that may be a karmic cycle, or you or your person may be dealing with a karmic person, okay? Uh, there is a transformation and ending of a big cycle, and this calls for rewards and celebration, because the world is always about completing your lessons, completing your major tests, uh, which you may have passed, because you may have taken charge of your life. I told you that you may be see here, bottom of the deck is Queen of Cups. I will take this Queen of Cups also, because I feel that is also resonating here. So yes, definitely I feel you both people have grown so much in your own self independently. I feel I think there may have been an ending in the past between you people, okay? Or for some of you, I feel like this is an ending with this person and a new person may be coming. And for some of you, there's a 50-50 chance that the same person may be coming back totally changed, totally transformed. Okay, there will be a new version of themselves. There will be a death of the ego or the old self, and you will get to see emotions also in this connection. There is an end of a cycle. Let's see what else. Yeah, your intuition will be helping you a lot. Okay, your intuition and logic have both increased, I feel. So you and your person may have grown a lot. Okay, before coming into union, I feel like you both needed to have this you both needed to be in this position that yes, you can lead a life, independent life, and then you will come back in union. Okay, let's see what else. Yeah, Ace of Wands. As I told you, passion and spark, and new beginning is coming. The old cycle is just closing out big time. So just relax, because there is this new start coming very very soon. I feel Ace of Wands is here. So yeah, now I feel you and your person both are ready to work on this connection. There is this opportunity to talk, to have a new beginning, to talk and to meet up also. For some of you, you may be hearing from this person. I feel there may be some action from this person. uh, you may have worked very very hard for this connection. I feel for some of you, if this is a soulmate connection, then definitely I feel you have worked hard, or you are willing to work hard, or this person is willing to work hard now. Okay, yeah, see, victory. I feel like victory is coming again. Passion, attraction, lot of attraction in this connection. Yes, coming out of this lack mindset. Okay, I feel like you have healed so much. Abandonment issues were there. This is your inner child wounds that may have stopped you both. But now I feel like you are winning here. Your victory is here. There may be a celebration, a homecoming, a party. As I told you, an event may be there. This person may be traveling to you, or you may be traveling to this person. Okay, let's see what else additionally from group number 2. So I feel you are done with the past. All the past is just, past cycle is just ending. Major ending has happened in this connection. Major cycle has ended, and definitely you are ready for a new start. I feel. Okay, the Ace of Wands is is the fast. I mean, it's a fast card for me. It will be a 1 week or something, or the first of the next month, or 21st or 11th. Okay, yeah, definitely, or the new year time for some of you. All right, yeah, let's see what else. Okay, so we have, oh my god, look at this, guys. I love this commitment. This is so beautiful. I love this. So yes, you are getting commitment. I mean, I'm very happy for you. Seriously, I'm very very happy. Pile number 2, you are getting commitment. So be ready. There is a star here, the lock and a key, and it's written heart on this key. All right, if you can see. So yes, the key to your person's heart or to your heart, the lock has opened now, and you are ready for a higher level of commitment, to enter a committed relationship, stability. Everything is happening, unfolding. So just be ready, and this is a good time to make a commitment. So just go ahead and say yes. If you are getting an offer, if you feel like you have to offer someone, you need to commit to someone, then yes, definitely. If you're thinking about that person, if you feel like they are your soulmate, then definitely you can take this action towards them. See, I feel like you may be a bit scared right now, because if you are already committed to this person, then some of you may be feeling a bit scared whether you should go or you should, there may be some danger that you feel, that whether the past hurts or past things will come back, will repeat or not. But you are being told that you need to trust. You need to trust in the unknown, because when you take a risk, that is the most challenging thing to do, but also the risk will be divinely trusted. So you will have a trust. When you have trust in divine, you will take a risk, and sometimes you need to take risk in life. Okay, to get this happiness, to get the most amazing and unique things in life, you need to take risk, and you are told that you are protected. So don't worry. nothing will go wasted. You will not be hurt this time because this is a solid, I see a commitment card, so definitely you can say that solid commitment you will be getting. All the past will be ending. You are moving towards a very very bright future in your love life, so I'm very very happy for you guys. And yeah, I hope this reading resonated with you, and I'm sending you lots of love and life. Take care. Bye bye.